Huawei registered brand PuraOS, suggesting possibility company planning to develop customized operating system for its newly launched Pura 70 series of smartphones. The brand information indicates that PuraOS is classified under the category of scientific instruments. Although it is presently under pending review, it is unclear how much time it will take to obtain official approval on this matter. Recently, Huawei introduced the Pura brand as an upgraded version of the public series. Following the brand unveiling, the company also introduced the brand new Pura 70 series. With the new commercial brand PuraOS, it seems that the Chinese tech giant has even more exciting plans for the new Pura line. Some have even predicted that this could potentially be a specialized operating system for the Pura 70 series, making it more independent, although it would be highly unusual to see a dedicated operating system for a series of devices, but perhaps EMUI will change its name to place a bet on PuraOS. It is important to remember that with EMUI 14, it is now possible to natively install Google services, which is likely contributing to the sales success of this manufacturer, along with the competitive prices they have set in the market. Huawei has been working on the Pura brand for a number of years, and developments have begun to take on a new shape in this regard. Although initially it seemed to heavily favor the Petal brand, integrating products like Petal Search, Petal Maps, and others. Both words start with the letter P, and it's uncertain whether Huawei will discard one of the two.